Hello CoinEngineers, I'm so excited to see into our video. Yes, in this video, in our main topic, and one topic, what is the Binance order types? First of all, if you wanna see that, we need to click trade, take a look at the spot or futures. But I wanna in this video start from spot side because we are also need to take a look at a lot of order types as a limit, as a market, as a stop limit market. And right now, scroll down and you are seeing limit market. Actually, I had already talked and discussed about limit and market, and that doesn't matter because I need to take a look again. And limit. Well, what is the limit order type? For example, I want to buy the Bitcoin not from there. I want to buy Bitcoin into the there. I mean $40,000, and I believe the Bitcoin significantly or gradually doesn't matter drop from 62,000 from 40,000, and then that's why I need to use limit and put my prediction in here. I want to buy just Bitcoin from $40,000, and nobody care about me. Nobody can stop me, and that's why I can just use limit and I just give the money. For example, put 100 USDT, and after that, first of all, you won't get your own Bitcoin because Bitcoin you need to see Bitcoin at the 40,000. First of all, Binance get your 100 USDT from your account, from your spot account. You can after putting limit order, and when Bitcoin drop at 40,000, you will see at your spot account 0.002 Bitcoin. For example, right now you are seeing 0.0025 Bitcoin, and just let's compare. Right now you need to 0.0025 Bitcoin, and how much you pay 0.00. That means you need to pay, if I'm not mistaken, 160 or 80. That means you will get a lot of discount if you are using limit. And sure, if you are believe and if you are sure with yourself, Bitcoin will drop at 40 USD. By the way, that's just example. It's not a prediction. It's not a financial advice. We can't get you financial advice. We are just giving you this order types and what should you do, how can you use order types in the Binance and some other currency contests. Yes, right now you are seeing we are at the market side, we are using market order, and for example you are just want to buy Bitcoin. There is no any point, there is no any areas, price areas. You just want to put your amount to Binance, and in favor of that you want to just Bitcoin. For example, you want to put 200 ESTT, sorry, just use this bar and then fill it 100 as a 100, and you will get 0.004 Bitcoin. That's it. That's it. I mean, after that, you won't see your own 254 USDT at your spot account because you are already charged all of your own USDT using market. What that means? That means market amount can't see and can't wait. You are just putting your own USDT and you're getting your own Bitcoin or altcoin. That's it. That is our first and second market types. Limit is the first and market is the second. And by the way, I need to take a note that you will get lower commission rates than market because market order is a little bit expensive, more expensive than limit. And then we need to use stop limit and stop market. For example, click stop limit. What is the difference limit and stop limit? For example, if you are already set up your own stop limit, Binance absolutely, for example, let me second. Binance absolutely will wait for when Bitcoin will touch 41,084 USDT. That's it. As soon as possible, Bitcoin touched this point at the as a USDT parity. At this time, absolutely 100% Binance will buy your own Bitcoin, how much you want to buy from Binance. But limit, for example, you had already set it up 40,000 USDT as a price area, and Binance background mechanism, working mechanism is seeing that, there's a cheaper that, for example, 41,000 USDT area for Bitcoin is cheaper, and Bitcoin can't get to 40,000. And at this time, automatically, and so suddenly Binance working mechanism or spot at the background automatically buy your Bitcoin, and then, for example, Bitcoin up or down to 40,000, doesn't matter. That is the little and confusing difference between limit and stop limit. And stock market, absolutely. For example, you can just put your own stop USDT amount, and then there is no to put as an amount other thing. You are buying Bitcoin using stock market. There is no any huge differences. Stock market and market. That's it. And then you need to trailing stop. For example, you can buy Bitcoin at 60,000, and then after putting the limit area, gradually the Bitcoin price falling and dropping from 2006 USDT to 60,000 USDT. And at there, you will just put, for example, if you are saying to Binance working mechanism at the background, just put 3% trailing delta. And then if Binance working mechanism or spot market seeing trailing delta is 3%, absolutely you will see stop at your position, and then automatically the spot market working mechanism for Binance stopping and will stop and will sell your Bitcoin if Bitcoin price drop at 3% general. And then yeah, that's it. For example, if you put it as a limit at the 6,000 and then Bitcoin drop at 60,000, and Binance working mechanism automatically will buy your own Bitcoin, how much you put it into the deal. And then if you are seeing trailing delta, I mean difference between 60,000 USDT area, price area, you will automatically see Binance will sell your own whole Bitcoin. That's it. That same way, same method is go same for selling Bitcoin. And I mean, at the background, buying Bitcoin and selling Bitcoin and trailing delta, trailing stop mechanism is the same. That's it. That's the whole order types. And by the way, if you are want to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin using Auto Invest, you can use, and at the right corner, I will drop for you what is a Binance Auto Investment, and you can click to learn. And by the way, you can control your own funds, grid orders, trade history, order history from there. And yeah, we have already learned a lot of market order types from limit market, limit order, market order, stop limit, stop market, trailing spot, OICO. What is that? For example, if you have no any exact prediction about the Bitcoin, and then you need to buy Bitcoin, just put, for example, 6,000, and then we need to count as a limit 60,000, and we need to stop area, for example, 1,000 USDT. That's not so logical. Stop and amount. We want to buy 0.002. That's equal 124 USD. And then what does mean? OCO, just imagine, let's imagine two different destinations, and there are just two ways, to left to right, and price and limit and stop. These are these ways, and that's our limit price, and that's the current price. First of all, the OCO method will automatically buy 62,000, and then, for example, we can drop it at our limit price, I mean 60,000. Automatically, the working mechanism for Binance at the background for spot market will automatically buy from there, and then the price will go up from there to 61,000. That means our Bitcoins will sell from there, because that is our stop point, because we had already noted as our stop area as a $61,000 as our stop area, as limit and price. First of all, the buying will realize there, and that's our 1 point to sell. Oh, such an amazing video, such a so advanced video. I know, maybe you are confusing, and maybe actually that was my bad. There's not a matter because you can just back to square one, back to beginning of the video, and then you can rewatch our video again until you understand everything about the Binance order types. Yes, that's it. I hope you can learn something and apply and practice into your own trading, because that's will be that make me so happy. And yeah, if you really learn something as a newcomer, doesn't matter beginner or other levels, even advanced level people, just don't forget to subscribe our channel and support us following our socials. See you on the next bullish time.